Good day. Welcome teachers and students to our group Breakthrough. So our tutorial video is about how to use ICT tools in teaching listening. And we truly hope that after this video, you can successfully integrate those tools into your teaching. And we also provide the timestamp for you to jump freely to parts that you wish to see. And no more waiting. Let's come to the first section.
Hello guys, my name is Thảo and today I'm in chat explanation part including quizzes and live worksheet. First, I would like to introduce quizzes. You can go to quizzes.com or any web browser and sign up with your email. Once you've done that, you are going to want to choose your role as a teacher. Then you will be at quizzes home screen. Once you are here, you can search for a quiz that has already been created or you can create your own. To search for an already existing quiz, you can type in any topic in the search menu, or if you want to create your own, click Create New Quiz. You need to enter a name for a quiz, choose relevant subject. You also add an image if you want, select its language, appropriate rate range, and make it public or private. Quizzes has a lot of functions, so you can create multiple choice, check box, fill in the blank, choose fun question, etc. It depends on your need, and it is designed at all, so you just need to fill in up questions in the area as well as answer. And remember to mark a correct answer to mark students' performance. You can set a time for every question and also toss an image, video, audio if you want. Press the save button to save your progress and select new question. Do this until you have made all of your question. You can also select play live or homework and choose your desired attributes. Students can go quizzes.com, join and type in 6 digits to participate in live quiz or complete the homework. Once the students are finished, can refresh your page and you will able to see the results of the quiz. Now let's move on to live worksheet, which is becoming more and more popular among teachers all around the world as a useful assessment assistant tool. First, we can assign liveworksheet.com and Google search engine. If we have an account, we only need to sign in. If we don't have one, we have to register for free by filling basic personal information and then press register button. With a live worksheet, we can create interactive handouts or workbooks by clicking Make Interactive Worksheets and then get started. Users are allowed to upload a file provided that it is PDF, PNG, and JPG formats and within limit of 5 MB. To upload your files, you can press the select and then upload. Live Worksheet provides users a wide range of interactive exercise. Firstly, we will begin with fill in the blank. After uploading the prepared file in edit mode, drag the mouse and draw a rectangle where you want students to fill in missing information. To mark a student's performance, you need to type in all possible answers separated by a slash. If you want to change the word font, size, or color, right-click the objects in the review mode. In terms of open-ended and pool question, you just need to draw a rectangular box without inserting any commands. Next, let's have a look at multiple choice question. With the drop-down menu, first we are also required to create a box where the answer will appear. After that, insert a command, choose wrong answer / asterisk right answer. The right answer preceded with an asterisk. For traditional multiple choice question, create pauses before each option, then use the command tick yes for the right answer and tick no for the wrong one. Regarding the drag and drop questions, we first need to draw interactive pauses for all elements. Then we write drag number for the options we want to read to the intended one that follow the commands. Drop number. The number must always be the same for elements that correspond with each other. Quizzes and live worksheets are very useful and convenient as a learning testing assistant tool. I hope that it is useful for all of you.
Now we are going to apply those tools in practice. And the task we are going to use is the listening part 3 from Cambridge First Masterclass for the 2015 exam, and in which we will use quizzes to teach the two tasks 1 and 2. And the requirements are to mark the stretched syllable and listen, then check. And here is how to use that tool. Now that you have already got on the website, go to Create to begin preparing for the lesson. And in this stage, they will ask you to name your lesson to categorize along with the keyword related to your subject. And I'm going to name mine Listening Part 3 dash Task 1 and 2 as the exercises. And the category I will choose is English. And now with the new blank presentation here, you can design your upcoming teaching slide. And in my case, I'm going to design my first slide for the introduction. And I'm going to write the name of the lesson in short. For example, I will write Listening Part 3. The exercise is Task 1 and 2. And I will also add a background for the slide using the buttons themes right here on the right of the screen. And I will choose the one that they recommend to me. But you can also choose your own images or videos that you want by uploading the file. And now for the first task, which is to mark the stretched syllables, we're going to use the function draw to allow the student to underline the answer. And to do that, I'm going to attach the material that I have prepared beforehand that includes all the adjectives from task 1. And how to do that? We add a new slide, choose draw, and then we upload the prepared materials. Then we open and save. And now we fill in the question for each one. And for my question, I will ask my student to underline the stretched syllables. And you can also try out the drawing function beforehand using the button Try It Out to draw. With that, you can see how the student will use the draw function to answer the question. And then you can set the appropriate time for each question. And I will change the time here from 3 minutes to 30 seconds. And for all the images, you can just redo the step, just like I just did. And as simple as that, we have already finished the task 1. And now coming to task 2, which is listening to the audio and checking the work in task 1 and repeating the words. And first of all, you will need the audio for the student to check the answers, right? However, only the super users of quizzes have this function, which means that you have to upgrade your account to super to apply the audio on your quizzes. But if you don't want to upgrade your account, here's what you can do. Upload your audio file on Google Drive. And as you can see, I have already uploaded, and I will copy the link. And next, you will go back to quizzes and add another slide. Choose the slide that can embed web page, which is this one, and then you add the link, paste your previous link, and then save. And now that is done for the audio problem. With adding one more slide with the answer that have already been underlined for task 1. And by doing this, the student can listen to the audio in Google Drive on another tab and still be able to follow the answer sheet provided by the teachers. And the teachers can easily use that same answer sheet and audio file to guide the student in repeating the adjective words. And that's all you need to do to combine quizzes into the 2 listening skill exercises.
Now let's see how we can integrate quizzes into creating the next task that involves describing 4 pictures using the adjective given in task 1. After logging into your quiz account, hit the Create button to create a new quiz. After that, select your intended topic and name your quiz. Then you will be transferred to a selection pane where you have to choose from a few question types. We use the open-ended question type for the task. Then click on the image button on top left right here to choose your own prepared photo and upload it. Once the photo is inserted, type your question in the working area in the right section here. The lower area here is where your student will give the description. You can set time for each question by clicking on the clock icon in the left bottom down here, or you can also offer some hints or explanations by clicking on the bow icon here. After checking every detail, hit the Save button to save your progress. That's all how we can create a picture describing tasks using quizzes. Now let's move to the last part of our video today. I'll show you how to create listening test part 3 in the multiple matching form by using live worksheets. After signing in, select Make Interactive Worksheets and then get started to create a new one. For the listening test, we use drop-down menu question type. To begin with, select the listening question file and upload it. Remember that live worksheets can only accept files that are in PDF, PNG, and JPEG forms and within the 5 MB size limit. After successfully uploading the file, drag the cursor to the blank next to each speaker where you want to create a drop-down menu. Draw a box and then type in all the options using the command choose followed by a colon, answer 1 plus answer 2 slash answer 3, etc. Remember that you must add an asterisk before an option to indicate that it is the correct one. Now let's work out how we can insert the audio file. To begin with, select your recordings by drawing a box and inserting the command play MP3 followed by a colon. Then a box will appear and you have to choose your own prepared recording. Because of the 5 MB size limit, I have prepared 5 separate audio files so that students can focus on one speaker at a time and won't get lost. The same process can also be applied to other speakers. To see how your test works, click on Preview Mode. In Preview Mode, just click on the box and then all the options will call out. To hear the sound, just click on the audio box and then you can hear the sound very clearly. Following these steps can really assist you in making online listening tests where students can do and get instant feedback. That's all for our video today. I hope that it will be useful to all of you. Goodbye and see you next time.